So hi there gents, this is just a bit of a rundown of the app. Okay, so what will happen is you should get an email from me. It might say from iTunes Store, and if it is, for some reason it seems to go there, but that's what will happen. You should get the app there. Once you've logged in, signed in, etc., it should tell you how to do that. You'll then get this logo on here, this saying PT Distinction, which hopefully it will show you up here. So I've clicked on there. This is taking it to my program that I've set up for me. So what will happen is you'll have a list of tasks as per here. So each day it will give you a list of tasks. All you'll have to do is tick each one as you complete it. So you can go through, tick each one from there. You can also go to schedule, have a look through. Once you've been to schedule, you can slide alongside, so I choose different days, so you can go back on yourself to correct any tasks that you might have missed, or something that you did but you forgot to tick it off. You can go back and correct that as well. Here I am just going back through. So here's the start of one for me where I've ticked it all off, with park and all sorts of things like that. And then I'll bring it back to date now. So something there, so I've come back to date today. I've completed my gratitude list, so I'll tick off that gratitude list, and then maybe I've done whatever else, tick off something else. Maybe I've done the makeup session, the makeup video session. Maybe I've done my 10,000 steps, so I'll just tick it off, all the things that I've done. That'll then calculate and tell us your completion rate. So that will give you your January's progress. From my end of it, can see week to week as to how you're getting on, etc. And this will calculate our points. So at the end of it, will basically be based on your completion rate. That's the aim. Okay, so from there, hopefully that's quite straightforward. There are other things we can do, so we can look at ways of logging things as well. So we can go to our logbook, which is down in this bottom right, this little pencil in the bottom right. Go on there. If you click on the progress photos, the second one there, you'll see I've taken some progress photos. But all you do is go up to add, take a photo of yourself, or if you've done it earlier, it'll be in your camera, in your old shots. And then you can just add it up and upload it from there. You can also go to the food diary section, which is a good place where we can actually use to record some of the things where we need evidence. So if you've done a cold shower, you can take a photo of a cold shower. You literally click on it, put add, go to take photo or choose photo if it's something you've done earlier. So as I'm doing here, go on there, have a look. It's just me. I'm going to take a photo of my hand because I'm not in the shower at the moment. But say I was about to get in the cold shower or anything, or I just needed some evidence for it, I could take a photo of me in the cold shower, or me about to get in the cold shower. Take a photo and put it on here, and just write down cold shower complete, or whatever it might be. That'll then save it in our food diary section, so I can go and have a look if I want to go and check that someone's done all the things they've said they're going to do. That'll be the area to kind of evidence it, so I can have a look and go, oh, yep, he's done his cold shower. Brilliant. Okay, nothing that I need to question and say, does that need to be, is that a truthful tick or not? So for you guys that have done it before, I'm not quite so worried about it, because I know you've done it before, but it is something I want to see for accountability. At the end of the day, it's each of us are in it for ourselves, so there's no point in saying we've done something if you haven't. And that's about it. So that's about it for the app. It's quite simple. All the points are there. You tick it up. It will give me an overall completion percentage, and that'll be nice and straightforward for us. We can go through the food diary, all that sort of stuff, as I said. But yeah, should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully another thing we can do is go to programs on here, which will, when we put programs on, it'll take you through the programs on here. So things will be set, what to do, press ups, etc. And you can just work through it. It will guide you through each exercise as well. So when we have some of the small programs to do during the weeks, there'll be some things on here to talk you through that as well. So I hope that all makes sense. That should be quite straightforward. As I said, we'll go more and more into it as we start. But the basics is that you know where the points are, and you know where the schedule is, and you know where the logbook is. It's really quite straightforward. Anyway, hope that all kind of works for you, gents. And I'll speak to you soon.